Welcome back, Solid Rock Entertainment family. You're now tuning into Solid Rock Entertainment as we continue the journey with Burning Spear on his album No Destroyer. We're going to be going into track number 3, entitled Some Pay Mortgage, Some Pay Rent. But in this time, as an individual, we must remain independent. Incomes.
I've been through great tribulation, upon tribulation, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. My faith been tested in life, but I'm not a fake, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. Joshua safety up on high man head to high man feet, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. Who and what should I be afraid of? I have no fear, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I will never let no one control my destiny, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I will never give up my right, no matter how they fight I, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I got to hold my head high just to avoid the fight, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I got to control my focus and center, and I will never surrender. Moving independently, but I keep on moving. Things get way out of hand, so I got to make some correction, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. Many times I question Jah about what's going on, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. It's been a long time in the business now, and I know what I feel, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. The major value in life is not in what you get, but is what you become. But I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I've been through great tribulation upon tribulation, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving. I've been through great tribulation upon tribulation, but I keep on moving independently, but I keep on moving.
But I keep on moving independently. But I keep on moving independently. Yes, that was Burning Spear with Independence, right? track number 3. Yes, and as you know, Burning Spear, who always promotes Marcus Garvey, and we all know what Marcus Garvey stands for: self-reliance, independence, sovereignty, independence, right? So, and as you know, Burning Spear has been battling with his music for over the years with certain labels that seem to have wanted to take control over his material, and I believe that he had won that fight, and now a lot of his albums are are on his independent record label, and he gets the royalty from it. Yeah, and he had to fight for that for some years. So Burning Spear has always been talking out against reducers who call themselves producers, and he fight what he had fought his fight and make sure that he get what he's getting. So he's basically saying that in this song. Over the years he's been moving independently, and he's not gonna let anything stop him from moving independently. And I know we as a people, we should be having the same thoughts. We need to move independently, be dependent. Don't be entirely dependent on anyone. You understand? You must rely on self. Okay? Yeah, to bring it through. God and self, So yeah, we're going to keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe as we keep positive music alive. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell, to put you under this musical spell. And continue to journey with me as we do this review reaction of Burning Spear's brand new album, No Destroyer. Keep everything solid as we go into track number 4. See you next door. Yeah.